Okay, this is my VR for Buck Run 11's May Fire Challenge. And here's what I picked up. $2.50 for the magnifying glass. I didn't have one in my kit. A Bic lighter, $1.50. Who can go wrong with Bics? And at the dollar store I got a bag of cotton balls. And I'm going to put this in a couple different kits. Well, the cotton balls. Need to pick up some more Bic lighters. I really like them. They last a long time. They work well. And I'm going to let the kids play with magnifying glass in the small fireplace this weekend and see how we do starting a fire with a magnifying glass. It takes practice. I wanted to get this video done earlier, but as you can tell from my voice, I've been kind of sick. So that's my challenge, and this is what I picked up. I hope it works for you. I hope you get something. Don't stop prepping. Every little thing counts.